Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video. And if you into Huck's World, and today people, we got a nice watch face. We got a couple of them that, if I'm not mistaken now, they're still free in the Gift Manager store. So run right down and check these out, right? Now, the first one is called PS Bow Time. I like this one. I gave the developer 2 thumbs up for uniqueness in the door. Now, in always on mode, it looks nice. It looks almost the same, but slightly different. It's gonna give you a digital time, and you're gonna get your step status info as well. Not bad at all for AOD mode. Now, when the watch face is on, what I like about it most and why I gave him 2 thumbs up is the uniqueness with the numbers. The whole layout is different, and I like the flavor. Now, over on this side, you're gonna get your digital time, your day, your month, your date, and also, if I tap right here, I could go into my music player. I thought that was pretty slick, right? Get your calories burned down here. Now, what's different about this? Normally, you get small seconds. You get big bold seconds right there, and he gives you your weather. I like the layout. I like the way he plays things. Very nice, very simple, and easy to get to, and that's your steps, and you get your battery percentage at the top as well. Now, what he threw in there that kind of gives you the best of both worlds in a sense is a nice second hand going around the bezel of the watch, which I thought was definitely unique for this watch face. You guys got to hit me in the comment section below. I would like to know what you thought of this watch face, and if you're going to go download it today. All right, you all, let's check out watch face number 2. Watch face number 2. Now this one is fun, people. Another free watch face in the Gift Manager store that you need to go download. Now the name of this one is called Trivialfer. Yes, that's the name of it, people. Now this is nice. I like the look. I like the uniqueness of it, and I am gonna say that I thought the developer did a very good job, and he's always giving away free watch faces. You got to check this guy out. He does good work, trust me. Now, what I like about it is that it's full of color. It's an everyday watch face. It's a work week watch face for sure, and it's just a chilling out watch face. I had to put that in there. All right, so in always on mode, I think it looks super boss. I wish this was actually the watch face. All right, so when the watch face is on, I like it. You get your step info, miles walked around, you get your floors climbed over here, battery percentage, you get your heart rate, you also get your calories burned over here. You get everything that you need so far as your step status is concerned. You get the weather right here, coffee intake, well, coffee intake is over there, water intake. You got everything that you need. So if I tap on the weather, of course I can go into my weather, which I thought was super cool. You got your settings. We're gonna cycle through all of this because this guy really threw in everything for a free watch face. This is not bad. If you drink your coffee, you want to keep track of it, same thing with your water, you can. I like this watch face. You got a nice digital time, animated seconds. This is a really nice look. And check this out. You can customize the color of the watch face, change the theme altogether. This is nice. We're going to cycle through all of them so you can see what watch face colors you're going to get. And they're all nice. Now that's super slick. Now the video isn't going to do it justice. You have to see this one in person. Let's cycle through them all. You got red, if you like all red, and purple for the ladies. Some guys like purple too. I like the combinations. I thought the developer got down. We got to give him 2 thumbs up because he did a tremendous job on this one. Caught my attention. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed the watch faces for today. If you did, make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this and you haven't subscribed, subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.